Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about Sony's UWP-D Series in combination with an FX9 camcorder. Let's see how the combination works. As always, before we start, if you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Write me in the comment field what I can do better and what you'd like to see in the next videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The FX9 is one of the top camcorders from Sony, and it can record 4 channels of audio. 2 channels coming in by XLR connectors on the right side, and the other 2 channels coming in over the MI shoe on top of the camcorder. Let's see how we can connect the receiver and how the MI shoe works. Okay, before we start connecting the receiver to the camcorder and using the system, let's have a look which type of radio mic we have here. I have here a UWP-D Series D21 kit. The D21 includes the UWP-D 1-channel receiver, the UWP-D belt pack, a mini jack XLR cable. This is a symmetrical connection. Then we have the mini jack cable, which is also a symmetrical signal. This is used if you have a camcorder which has no XLR or MI shoe as the input. An ECM V1 BMP lavalier microphone with omnidirection. And last 2 clips, one for the belt pack and one for the receiver. If you don't have the MI shoe, then you can use the belt clip. What is not in the box but needed to use the receiver with an MI shoe is the SMAT P5. This is the adapter which gives you the ability that the energy from the camcorder is pushed to the receiver, so the receiver will be powered by the battery from the camcorder, and the audio signal goes over the MI shoe into the camcorder, into the audio section. If you have an FX9, then you can use this switch on the back side here, which changes the signal from analog output to digital. Then you get the signal from the receiver as a digital signal into the camcorder, so you save one DA-AD conversion in the signal flow. There are 2 other packages available in the UWP-D series. One is the D22 package, which includes a handheld transmitter instead the body pack, and the D26 package, which includes the plug-on and the body pack as transmitters. Of course, this is part of another video, so have a look in the description. I will put a link there to the videos where I explain the other packages and overall how the UWP-D series works. But now, let's connect the receiver to the camcorder. And to do this, we have to mount the MI shoe adapter. Open the plastic flap here and push the adapter in. Fix it with this screw here. Then take the protector for the pins away. Take care that you store this protector in an area where you always find it. The pins are a little bit fragile, so if you don't use the MI shoe adapter on the camcorder, always protect the pins. There's also a plastic protector here on top of the camcorder. Take care that you don't lose this. Slide it in and secure it with this secure ring here on the bottom of the MI shoe adapter. And that's all, we are ready to go. Let's switch on the camcorder. The camcorder boots and deliver power to the receiver, and the receiver switched on. And you see that this M here in the display shows you that you are connected by MI shoe for energy and audio. The best way to find a free frequency is to use the NFC sync. Press the NFC sync button for 3 seconds and the receiver starts a scan. As you see, the body pack is switched off. If the sync is ready, receiver has found the frequency, blink the display and say please sync. So you touch the NFC logo to the NFC logo. The receiver pushes the frequency to the transmitter, it switches on the transmitter, it vibrates 3 times and you are ready to go. There are some more setups like the input level, low cut and some other stuff you can change. This is part of another video. Link is down in the description. Now the system is ready and works, and How to change some other parameters on the transmitter is part of another video, link is down in the description. But we will have a look on the menu of the camcorder and let's see what you can change here to get the best result from your mic and radio mic audio signals. Here you see the left side of the camcorder, and behind this flap you have 4 dials. These faders can be used to change the level of your input for channel 1, 2, 3 and 4. On channel 1 and channel 2 we have on top 2 switches per channel. One is for changing the input. External is for the XLRs on the back side. Internal is for the mic here on the right top corner. And MI shoe means that the channel 1 from the radio mic receiver is going to channel number 1, and if I use here also channel 2, then the channel number 2 of the receiver will go to channel number 2 in the camcorder and record it. The audio knobs on the right side are only in charge of these 2 XLR connectors. It's simply a switch where you can choose mic level for the input sensitivity plus 48 volt phantom power, then mic level without phantom power, and the third position is for line level. And that's all the hardware changes you can do on the camcorder directly. Most important here are the 4 fader knobs for the input level, so you have always access to the input level of your 4 channels. And of course this input level is not analog. If you change the dial, then it changes the level on the digital side of the signal, because after the AD conversion directly behind the XLRs, or in our case the radio mic receiver sends a digital signal, so the signal stays always digital. It goes never back to analog. Or everything you can change on the audio side inside the camcorder is in the digital domain. This is the end of part 1 about the audio section of the FX9. I have to split it in 2 videos. This is even now since 7 minutes now, so it's too long. In the next part we talk about the menus of the FX9 and what you can change on the audio side and what is the best setup you can do. If I have forgot something, or if you think there's something I can do better, if you have any ideas on what you'd like to see in the next videos, write it down in the comment field, subscribe to the channel, click the like button. Thanks for watching.